Hello. So you remember how much I used to talk about this brand Plum many years ago, and I was like, you guys must be getting so fed up of, listening to me talking about the same brand every time. But I love their products. Like even recently when I got that rash and all that, I wanted to get back to something organic and clean. So I just blindly went to that face wash. I still use that face wash I've been using since past 5 years, I think. I'll put down all the links of the videos which I've made previously in the description box. You'll know what I'm talking about. But Plum has turned 7 recently. They're celebrating their 7th anniversary, so they have like sale going on from 1st to 4th of July, and they have up to 40% discount. You get some free stuff like gift cards and offers and all that, so check it out. I can recommend some of the products in the description box. You can check them out, and even I'll talk about some of them which they have sent to me. Let's start. If you don't know, they are vegan, they are cruelty free, they're free from all sulfates, parabens and all those toxic stuff. Also, they are good at recycling. The first product that I want to talk about is this hair mask. Okay, it's the avocado hair mask, which is super creamy, thick. Okay, now let me show you how I used it. Okay, this is my before hair, dry frizzy ends, like you can see. So I just washed my hair, okay, shampooed it really well, and it's like damp. I quickly got out of the shower, removed all the excess water from the end so that the product does not come off. I'm taking quite a big scoop out of the tub and rubbing it all over my palms and applying it all over my strands first. I mean, I don't apply it on the scalp at all. So if you have like frizzy hair and you want like silky smooth hair, then I think you should go for this because it has argan oil. It is super rich in all fatty acids and vitamin E also. Vitamin E is really good for hair, gives that nice shine and silky smooth feeling. So try this. You can try this like once a week or twice a week, or even whenever you wash your hair. It is super effective. So I give my hair a nice gentle massage, and then take a towel or any small cloth which you have and cover it all up and leave it on for about an hour minimum, and then wash it off like this. And I feel like my hair has become a lot more silky and smooth. My hair was pretty frizzy and dry. Like even now, if you can see the shine and the fresh look is still there. This is, I think, the 2nd or 3rd day. They're actually, supposed to be left for about 30 to 1 hour time. You can even leave it on for more than that. It's more, the more the better. The next one I want to talk about is this green tea night gel. If you've been following me from long, I used all of their green tea products, and this one used to be my favorite because I had like super oily skin that time, and I needed something that is little light and gel like consistency for my nighttime. Looking at this, it's reminding me how many containers I've used of this night gel. It is super hydrating. I'll tell you, this is almost a dupe of the Clinique Surge. Look at this. The smell is also reminding me of those days. Look at the texture. Super duper hydrating. You can even apply a little bit if your skin is too oily. You can apply a lot if your skin is dry. And combination skin is like perfect. Look. And it's so cooling and feels so nice on your skin. There's no like greasiness or oily heavy feeling. Now the next one is this lip balm. This is how it is. I've used it quite a bit all these days. It is lovely. When you apply it, it's thick. You feel like there's something nice and nourishing on your lips. That shine and rich feeling. It gives you a little bit of color also, and it stays for quite a while. Okay, like at least like 1 or 2 meals you can have without getting your lips dry. It also protects you from UV damage. It has cocoa butter, shea butter, carrot seed oil is very good, olive oil. It smells all fruity. And next is this body scrub. It's like super like liquidy jelly type. It has like small scrubbies inside. They are biodegradable cellulose beads, natural walnut shell powder. Oh my god, this smells divine. I love fruity stuff, okay? I love my bathroom to be smelling fruity. I love myself to be smelling fruity. I felt like my skin was pretty smooth, and I love that feeling of a fresh skin with no dead skin all over your body. It feels nice. The next one is this body wash, which is pretty much the same range, and it's nice. Nothing much to say about it, but I use this almost now every day. I'm loving that luxurious shower gel. The last but not the least, which I've been loving actually for my hair, if you've been following me on my Instagram, I started using aloe vera gel, okay, on my hair, and that is also very good for frizzy, dry hair. Now it's monsoon, so your hair is going to get super frizzy and unmanageable. So it's good to have like a few masks once a week or twice a week. So this is just a gel, aloe vera gel. For a long time, I even used this as just a moisturizer on my face. And also, you know, sometimes I use the aloe vera gel just to tame the frizzy hair when you want to use it like a hair gel. Really good for baby hair. So yeah, that is it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you do, and all the links will be in the description box. You can check it out, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.